Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started. Our number one pick is Chemical Guy's Wheelie Surface and Wheel Brush. This is a versatile, durable tool designed for cleaning wheels and exterior surfaces on cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, and even RVs. Known for producing high-quality detailing products, Chemical Guys have made a brush that promises to make exterior cleaning efficient and safe for various surfaces. One of the standout features of the Wheelie brush is its multi-surface compatibility. It's safe for use on wheels made of aluminum, chrome, and other alloys, as well as painted surfaces and even plastic. The brush has proven itself effective on cars and trucks, as well as motorcycles, and it also works well for RVs, which tend to accumulate more grit and require deeper cleaning. Safety is a priority with this brush. Unlike some stiffer brushes that risk scratching finishes, the Chemical Guy's Wheelie brush has non-abrasive bristles that are safe for all exterior finishes. For car owners concerned about scratches or scuffs, this brush is a great choice as it provides a worry-free experience even on sensitive finishes. The brush has a sturdy handle that feels comfortable and easy to grip even when wet. Our second best tyre brush is Mother's Car Wash Brush. This brush excels in delivering a deep clean for wheels, fenders and tyres. The stiff bristles are designed to remove built-up grime, brake dust and dirt effectively. It's particularly great on tyres, scrubbing out tough-to-remove dirt from rubber textures and tread. The dense bristles retain their firmness even with heavy use, making it easy to clean out stubborn debris, especially on rims and wheel wells. Though tough, the bristles are also designed to be safe on most finishes, making it versatile enough for detailing the lower body and other areas where road grime accumulates. This brush is built to last. The bristles are both stiff and durable, showing minimal wear even after multiple heavy-duty uses. It's clear that mothers put effort into making this a reliable and durable tool. The bristles are firmly attached, and the entire brush feels solid and ready for frequent, demanding use. For those looking for a brush that won't need frequent replacing, this model is an excellent choice. The Mother's Wheel and Fender brush is a great investment for car detailers and enthusiasts alike. It's designed to handle heavy-duty cleaning without damaging your vehicle's surfaces. With a comfortable grip, durable bristles, and effective cleaning power, it's a valuable addition to any detailing kit. The brush is perfect for use on tyres, wheels, and lower body panels. It's safe on most finishes, though it's always a good idea to avoid using stiff bristle brushes on sensitive painted areas. Third choice in our list is LucklyJone Wheel and Tyre Brush for Car Rim. The soft bristled design is ideal for anyone concerned about scratching delicate finishes on wheels or painted surfaces. The brush is safe on a wide range of materials, from alloy rims to plastic and rubber, so it's versatile enough to handle most car surfaces. While it's primarily aimed at tyres and rims, it can also be used on other exterior areas that require gentle cleaning. The brush feels well made and durable, capable of withstanding frequent use. The bristles, while soft, maintain their shape after several washes and don't show signs of bending or falling out, even with regular scrubbing. The attachment of the bristles to the handle is sturdy, so there's no worry of it breaking or the bristles coming loose during use. It's clear that the LucklyJone brush is designed to last, which adds to its value. The soft bristles on this brush do an excellent job at removing dirt, road grime and brake dust without scratching surfaces. Despite being soft, the bristles are dense enough to provide a thorough scrub, making it easy to clear away buildup without any worry about damage. This brush is particularly effective on wheels and rims, where dirt accumulates heavily, as well as on tyres, where the soft bristles get into the grooves without leaving marks. The LucklyJone wheel and tyre brush is a solid choice for anyone who wants an effective, safe, and easy to use brush for their vehicle's wheels and tyres. Number 4 in our side is 303 Products Tyre Brush. One of the standout features of this brush is its agitation power. The bristles are firm but flexible enough to get deep into grooves and textured areas on the tyre, loosening even the most stubborn dirt and debris. The brush works exceptionally well with tyre cleaners and foams, enhancing the effectiveness of these products and leaving the tyres with a refreshed, like-new appearance. Made with high-quality materials, this brush feels solid and built to last. The bristles are robust and maintain their shape after multiple uses, holding up well to heavy scrubbing on rough surfaces like tyres. The construction of the brush suggests it will withstand regular use, which makes it a cost-effective choice for car enthusiasts. While this brush is specifically designed for tyres, it also works well on other textured rubber surfaces. However, due to the firmness of the bristles, it's best reserved for tyres and not for delicate areas that require softer bristles to avoid scratches. One of the standout features of this brush is its agitation power. The bristles are firm but flexible enough to get deep into grooves and textured areas on the tyre, loosening even the most stubborn dirt and debris. The brush works exceptionally well with tyre cleaners and foams, enhancing the effectiveness of these products and leaving the tyres with a refreshed, like-new appearance. Last in our top 5 best tyre brush list is Viking Car Wash Brush. The brush's soft but firm bristles do a great job of agitating dirt without scratching surfaces. They provide just the right balance to lift grime off the wheels and fenders while being gentle enough for painted surfaces. This makes it a great tool for deep cleaning the dirtiest areas of your vehicle, especially on the rims and tyre sidewalls. One of the standout features of this Viking brush is its 16.5-inch handle, which offers excellent reach for larger vehicles or deeper rims. This longer handle makes it easy to get into areas that a shorter brush might miss, like the back of the wheel wells. The length also provides good leverage, making it easier to scrub away stubborn dirt without bending down or straining. The handle is designed with non-slip material, allowing for a secure grip, even when wet. This grip and the overall sturdiness of the brush make it comfortable for extended cleaning sessions, and it's clear the brush is built to last through frequent use. The bristles also seem durable and maintain their shape well, even after heavy scrubbing. While perfect for wheels and fenders, this brush is also suitable for other hard-to-reach areas on a vehicle.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.